Okay, let's do this example 2. If a current of 10 ampere takes 3 times 10 to the power of 2 seconds or 300 seconds to boil a kettle of water requiring 3.6 times 10 to the power of 5 joule of energy, what is the potential difference or voltage across the kettle? So what do we have? We have I, which is the electrical current in terms of ampere. We have delta T, which is the time, 3.0 times to the 10 to the power of 2 seconds. Delta E, which is 3.6 times 10 to the power of 5 joule. And what we need to find? We need to find voltage. So we know delta E from the previous part. We know delta E is equals to I times delta T, which is the same as Q times V, or Q times V. So we have delta E, we have I, we have delta T, we don't have V. So V will be equal to delta E divided by I times delta T. So delta E is 3.6 times 10 to the power of 5 divided by I, which is 10, times delta T, which is 3 times 10 to the power of 2. So it will be 3.6, here is going to be 30, it's going to be 1.2 times 10 to the power of 2 volts. So that's going to be the final answer.